ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
नमस्ते ईशान।
नमस्ते कुलदीप मम्मू।
कर्म yoga. We are continuing. You are having cold, right?
Yes.
Save your voice for Bhagavad Gita. That was our first tip in chapter 1, first episode, right? So you have to save. When you are getting something special from Bhagavan as Bhagavad Gita in your life, you have to compromise on some other things. No? Eating. Ah,
Ice cream.
ice cream. Yes. Okay. Karma yoga. Bhagavan taught us to go beyond attachment and aversion, raga dvesha, in last shloka. When we are able to do that with his anugraha, now the question in us would be, what should we really do? What should we refrain from doing? Bhagavan gives us answer for this. He is going to teach us about Swadharma and Paradharma. You are ready for chanting section?
Yes, Mammu.
Yeah. Shlokas 35 and 36, right?
Yes, Mammu.
Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः
Paradharmat Swanushthitaat
परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात्
Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyah
स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः
Paradharmo Bhayavahah.
परधर्मो भयावहः.
Again. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः
Paradharmat Swanushthitaat
परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात्
Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyah
स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः
Paradharmo Bhayavahah.
परधर्मो भयावहः.
Padachhedah. Shreyan Swadharmah Vigunaha Paradharmat Swanushthitaat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyah Paradharmah Bhayavahah. Now 36th shloka. Arjuna Uvacha.
अर्जुन उवाच.
Arjuna comes after many shlokas, right?
Yes.
Atha kena prayuktoyam
अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं
papam charati purushah
पापं चरति पूरुषः
anichannapi varshneya
अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय
baladiva niyojitah.
बलादिव नियोजितः.
Again, atha kena prayuktoyam
अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं
papam charati purushah
पापं चरति पूरुषः
anichannapi varshneya
अनिच्छन्नपि वार्ष्णेय
baladiva niyojitah.
बलादिव नियोजितः.
Padachhedah. Arjunah Uvacha. See, again, this Arjuna Uvacha, Arjunaha Uvacha. It is not Arjun Uvacha. That is because of the influence of mother tongue. No? When we say it in Hindi, Arjun. But when we say it in Sanskrit, Sanskritam, it has to be Arjuna Uvacha. Arjunaha Uvacha. So, Padacheda Atha Kena Prayuktaha Ayam Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha Anichan Api Varshneya Balat Iva Niyojitaha. You got it?
Yes, Mamu.
So, shall we go for chanting together?
Yes, Mamu.
Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Swanushtitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayavaha. Arjuna Uvacha Atha Kena Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha Anichannapi Varshneya Baladiva Niyojitaha. Let us go through the meanings now. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha
Paradharmat Swanushtitat
Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha
Paradharmo Bhayavaha.
Swanushthitat Paradharmat Vigunaha Swadharmaha Shreyan. Very, 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 very important shloka. Okay. Swanushthitat Paradharmat Vigunaha Swadharmaha Shreyan. Swadharmaha. Better is one's own dharma, duty, Swadharma. Though lacking in merits, Vigunaha Swadharmaha Shreyan. Than the dharma of another, you can say another, dharma of another well performed. So better is one's own dharma, though lacking in merits, than the dharma of another well performed. Swanushthitat Paradharmat. Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha. Better is death in one's own dharma. Bhagavan is saying. Paradharmaha Bhayavaha. The dharma of another is full of fear. We will explain this later. Arjuna Uvacha. Now Arjuna is coming. Arjuna is already there. Arjuna is going to say something. Atha Kena Prayuktoyam
Papam Charit Purushaha
Anichannapi Varshneya
Baladiva Niyojitaha.
Arjuna Uvacha. Arjuna said, Hey Varshneya, O Varshneya, Krishna's another name. Vrishnikula Jata, who is born in Vrishnikula. Atha Kena Prayuktaha Ayam Purushaha Anichannapi Balat Niyojitaha Iva Papam Charati. Atha, then, Kena Prayuktaha, impelled by what? Ayam Purushaha, does a man commit sin? Papam Charati. Even though not desiring to, Anichannapi, he is not desiring to do papa. But something is doing inside, something is pushing. Balat Niyojitaha Iva, as if compelled by force. See, that is Arjuna's new doubt. Okay, we will discuss that also. So, now getting into spiritual tidbits and Bhagavan is going to explain this. So, Bhagavan is telling us about Swadharma and Paradharma. Swadharma is one's own duty, one's own area of action. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Paradharma is whose duty?
Another's.
Another's duty, another's area of action. Swadharma is determined by one's nature, one's essential character. We already said that every person has some prakriti, right?
Yes.
Inborn qualities in them. According to their prakriti, they will act. last week you told us an example, no? Mosquitoes, right? Yeah. Right from childhood, you act according to your prakriti. In school, you love some subjects. You don't love some subjects. All this according to your prakriti. See, Swadharma is your area of action in your life, which would be according to your own nature. Now, anything alien to one's own nature is called paradharma. You got it?
Yes, Mamu.
Anything external, anything alien to one's own nature is called paradharma. You know, Mamu will give you one example. Sachin Tendulkar is a great cricket player, right?
Yes.
Imagine him working as a clerk in government office. He goes in the mornings at 9 o'clock, then till 5 o'clock he will work. No. You know, his prakriti has taken him to cricket early in his life. Another example would be, just take Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is also a great cricketer. Mahendra Singh Dhoni doing a 3-hour full classical concert.
Yeah?
See, apple can't become orange. Orange can't become apple. Right?
Yes.
Here, Arjuna is born as Kshatriya and his prakriti is naturally to fight and protect his kingdom. In Kurukshetra, his prakriti, his swadharma is to protect dharma. He is full of energy when he is with his bow and arrow. Sannyasa is paradharma for him. You got it? Bhagavan says, better is one's own dharma, though lacking in merits, though imperfect, than the dharma of another well performed. See, Mamu always says this example. In Tamil we say, Mailada kuil pada, no?
Yes.
When the peacock dances and when the cuckoo sings, that's how their prakritis are, right?
Yes.
One day peacock is deciding to sing. Cuckoo is deciding to dance. You can't tolerate. You have to accept this fact. Someone said, you can practice and do that. No. Just because of practice, you can't change your prakriti. Prakriti is fixed by Bhagavan. Cuckoo can't keep saying that I will practice and become a great dancer.
Yes.
Peacock can't keep saying that I will practice and become a great singer.
Singer.
Yeah. You will unnecessarily waste time on what you are not destined to. And then you can do all those arguments and all that. Whatever. See, sometimes paradharma will give you a lot of money, comforts. It will give you awards, rewards. But then in long run, you will come to know that all these comforts, money, awards, rewards are not giving you original happiness or shanti. You never reach the highest doing paradharma. That is what Bhagavan is saying. Swadharma will take you to Bhagavan. Paradharma will never take you to Bhagavan. So even if it is lacking in merits, even if it is not perfect, you should stick to your swadharma, which will give you original benefits. Even if there is pain in this process, that pain is also going to help you in your spiritual progress. Paradharma would be giving you a lot of benefits, but will never give you the highest in life. Bhagavan also says, better is death in one's own dharma. The dharma of another is full of fear. See, you know, Mama will give you a beautiful example. Parents think that they are giving the best education to their children. Right?
Yes.
They send them to foreign lands in search of higher studies, and the children will stick to that land for higher, high salaried jobs. Okay, to get more money. Parents would be all the time boasting about their children here in India. Whatever. I'm not mentioning any country as such. This is what is happening. Slowly, when the next generation kids are born, when these parents become grandparents, they come to know that there is no one to take care of them. Their children are busy with their job and also their children. So much busy that even at the time of Amma Appa's death, they can't come here. You are not here with them. Instead of giving the children swadharma, you happily gave them paradharma, and now you are suffering. This is one example what is really happening. Swadharma, paradharma. That is why Bhagavan says, paradharma bhayavaha. The dharma of another is full of fear. Swadharma, paradharma. Okay, now you tell me, you have some story to tell us, I guess. Make it short. Whose story?
Tenali Rama.
Tenali Rama's story, right? Yeah. You tell me within in just 5-6 lines. Yeah.
One day, an artist came to the kingdom.
Kingdom. Krishna Devaraya's kingdom.
Yeah.
One artist, right?
Yes.
Who paints. Yeah.
To draw the king's picture.
The king's picture.
After he drew the picture, the king was very happy with it. So he made the artist the Mahamantri.
Oh, he made the artist Mahamantri, right?
Yes.
He's an artist, but now he's a Mahamantri, right?
Yes. Then many problems came from the kingdom.
Okay. There was lot of things to be handled, and this Mahamantri
Could not do it.
could not do it, right?
Then everybody went to Tenali Rama.
Krishna Devaraya knew it, I guess. But he was silent. He was thinking his decision was right?
Yes.
Yeah. Then everyone went to Tenali Rama.
Yes.
What did Tenali Rama do?
He had an idea.
He had an idea, right?
Yes. Then the afternoon he went home and called his carpenter
Carpenter.
to the kingdom to make food.
To make food as chef, right?
Yes.
He asked him to become chef, right?
Yes. But the carpenter didn't have any idea of cooking. So he was very scared. When Tenali Rama said nothing will happen,
nothing will happen.
He came. He made a soup. In the end, he...
No. He actually, do you remember? He started doing it with his tools, no?
Yes.
Carpentry tools.
Pencils, nails.
All those things he started doing cooking, no?
Yes.
And he was, what was he doing?
He first lengthened the melon.
Okay. Got it. He measured it, and then with pencil he marked it. Then he started cutting it with his axe, no?
Yes.
All those big things, instruments. Then finally?
In the end, he poured the big plate full of green chilies.
Green chilies. Okay. Then when the food was served, what happened?
Tenali Rama said it will be very delicious.
Very delicious. Then what happened?
When everybody ate, but the old Mahamantri didn't eat it.
Okay. Didn't eat it. Okay.
Then
Everyone was scared, no? And what did Krishna Devaraya say?
He asked Tenali Rama, who is that man who made this soup? Tenali Rama said, it is the
carpenter, no?
Yes.
Then suddenly Krishna Devaraya was, how can a carpenter do this?
Yes. So Tenali Rama said, if an artist can become a Mahamantri, then why can't a carpenter become a chef?
Very good. But finally what happened? You can't eat that food, no? You couldn't eat that food, right? So Krishna Devaraya came to know about what he did was wrong, right? So Mahamantri, artist becoming Mahamantri, that is not his prakriti, right? But in fact, in our Bharata Desha, now it is like that only. Artist is becoming mantri, mantri is becoming artist, all those
The king
sankaras.
did this because he thought everybody will respect his kingdom only.
Okay. Now it is all about prakriti, right?
Yes.
So, Innu should be doing Bhagavad Gita. Mammu should be doing this Bhagavad Gita, Vande Guru Paramparam. This is our prakriti, right? With his anugraha, Bhagavan's anugraha, we have found it. So, it's his grace. Okay?
Okay, Mammu.
Very good, very good. Now, in 36th shloka, Arjuna is going to speak after many shlokas. He has a doubt now. Bhagavan already spoke about attachment and aversion. He had said that we should not come under the influence of them. Arjuna is ready to follow this advice and thus lead a divine journey. But he is finding it very difficult to put in practice. He says, impelled by what does a man commit sin? Papa. Even though not desiring to. He is not desiring to do papa, but he is as if compelled by some force. Arjuna wants to know what that force is which is pushing us from inside to do papa. What force is that which is taking us far away from Bhagavan? Now, Bhagavan will reply this question in next shlokas. Okay, so today we learnt about Swadharma, Paradharma. Keep doing your Swadharma. Don't get into any Paradharma. Waste of time, waste of energy. Everything is waste. Sometimes, even for some years you will do this. And when you come back to your original Swadharma, the years are gone, no? So, with his anugraha, we can find our Swadharma and we can keep doing it. Once you start doing it, no, it is like, it is full of joy. It is full of bliss. He will provide you all resources then. That is how it is. You have to experience it. Okay? Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Keep evolving. Language also you have to improve. Keep improving. Okay? Maybe 12th, 18th chapter. Who is going to do this? 18th chapter? Maybe you. We don't know. With his anugraha. Okay. After some years. Let's see. Stay blessed.